Hello everyone, my name is Ajay and in this video I will be guiding you through how we can install Tabletrack on cPanel. So here are the steps that we are going to follow. First we will visit the Code Canyon website, go to download section and then download the Tabletrack zip file, and then we will upload the zip file directly to the server. We'll extract the files and we will have the two folders, documentation and script. In the script folder we will have the lot of files. We will move all the files inside the script folder to the root directory, and then we will open the URL with having public check.php and see if there is any error. If we find any error, we will resolve the errors first, and then finally we will remove the check.php from the URL and follow the installer. So these are going to be the steps. Now let's directly jump to the demo. So here is the cPanel. Let me go to the domains section. So here we already have one domain. Let me create a separate subdomain or domain for the Tabletrack. Tabletrack.worksuite So this is going to be the subdomain for that, and the path is this. Let me create it. It will take some time for the DNS propagation. Let me open this in the separate tab. So we are at least getting something, that means the subdomain is working. So the next step will be uploading the zip file to the server. So we will go to the file manager. You can type file manager from here. File manager. So here is the file manager, public.html, and here is the subdomain path of the subdomain that we have created. So we go inside it and upload the files. So here is the file. We will upload the zip file and wait for a few seconds to get the files uploaded. So the files are uploaded. We'll click go back, and then we will unzip the file. Select the file, right click it and click extract. Wait for a few seconds. The files is extracted and click reload. Yeah, so here are the files. We will go inside it. Go inside script folder, select all files, but before doing so make sure that all files are visible. As I can see, my .env files are not showing here. So from here we will go to the settings menu on the top right and click show hidden files. This is very important. Show hidden file and click save. Now wait for a few seconds. Click reload or just reload the page. Go back to script folder. Yeah, now you can see all the dot files are also visible, .env, .example, by doing this checkbox enabled. So now select all files and click move, and move the files to the root path, which is root path of the root path of the subdomain, which is tabletrack.worksuite.info, and click move files. Now go back one level, another, and this is the root file, root path, and all the files are moved. Now let's open the URL, and in the URL we will have to we have uploaded the file to the server, extracted the files, moved all the files to root folder, and now we will be opening the browser with public check.php. Let's open public check.php. Yeah, so if this page is opening, that means the subdomain is configured properly and all the PHP requirements are met. And some PHP requirements that are not met, we will resolve one by one. So here we are getting few errors. The one is allow URL fopen, maximum execution time, and this. So let's jump back to the cPanel and go to select PHP from here, and from here go to PHP ini editor. Select your subdomain or domain that you have created. You can increase the maximum execution time from here to 300. Post max size, let's make it 100. And also upload max size, let's make it 100. And I would also suggest to increase the memory limit to somewhere around 512 and click apply. And let's reload the page again. So these errors are gone. Only one error is left, that is allow app URL fopen. Let's see where we can find that option. So it's not available here. Let's see somewhere else. Let's go to PHP ini multi PHP manager. So it's not available here also. Go back again to the PHP ini editor. FURL not find here. Let me see if we can display errors. FURL, we can search internet where we can find FURL on cPanel. It is saying first we will have to go to WHM, but not we are not getting that option. So for now we can ignore this part and continue the installation. If we are getting the install page, let's see if it's work. We can remove this error later on. So we are getting the installer, that means the application will install without that for now. Click next, and here we will have to enter the database configurations. Let's create one database wizard, and we'll name it Tabletrack. Then the Tabletrack, and let's the password at 123. Let's see, the password is weak. Let me use this password. Copy it, use the password and create user. Now here you have to give all privileges to the user for this specific database. Click make changes. Now let's enter the password here first, that I have already copied, and the database is this, and the user is also same. Click next. So all these are green. Click next step. So this is also green. Click next and wait for few seconds to get the application installed. So the application is installed on cPanel. The default login details are here, superadmin@example.com 123456. Click here to exit. Let's see we are able to log in or not. Here you will have to enter your purchase code that you have got from the code cannon and your email. For now I am entering something here. I will hide this in the demo. So the application install, let's log in. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So application installed, as you can see. Let's log out. And so here one more tip, I would suggest to run this application without public in URL. I will share the link of the video with the complete tutorial how we can remove the public from URL on cPanel. So let's quickly remove for now, and you can also go through that video also. So for removing public, let's go back to the domains. Select your subdomain, click manage, and here just point the application to public directory. Click update. Now go back to Tabletrack and reload the page. Just wait for few seconds so that the Apache or the Nginx, whichever is installed on cPanel, take into the new document root. Yeah, so now it's working. We'll simply remove the public from URL and bingo, the application is installed. So if you have any questions, you can comment down and get back to us. Our team will reply to all your queries. Thank you for now.